Okay guys, position your chair, mount your camera on a tripod, use either land or portrait mode. After that, you can now walk into the scene. All right, what you need to do here is just to sit down. Then make sure you're not putting on a cloth or you wear a singlet. Then you can just raise your head to a certain point so that your neck will show, your neck will reveal. All right, you can decide to be moving your lips, your mouth. All right. Then after that, you can record yourself for a few seconds or few minutes. Just do anything of your choice. All right, then you can now walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, we are going to be clicking on CapCut. There you click on new video. You import your video to workspace. Now you click on your video and click on volume. Then you reduce it to 0 and mark on this good. Then you go back. We need an empty background here, so you go and look for freeze. We need an empty background. Click on freeze. Now you freeze this part. Click on this one and delete it, the first one. You click on the last one and look for overlay. You want to overlay this last part. Now overlay it and click on the background and drag it to the point you want your video to stop. Then you come back. Now you want to look for where you want the video or your video to start from. I am going to be clicking here to make a split. Click on this first one and delete it. Click on this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. You go and look for where you want the video to end. All right, so I'm going to be making another split here to delete this last part. Click on it and trim it to be equal with the background. After that, you are going to be coming back. When you come back now, you click on it. All right, when you click on it, you expound your video for a clearer view. Position it the way you want it to be. All right, after expounding it and positioning it, all right, the next thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be clicking it to go and look for mask. Click it now, locate mask, go and look for mask. Okay, so that is the next thing we are going to be doing now. Locate mask. All right, look for mask. Then you click on mask. Now you click on circle. All right, come and circle this your head. Make sure you circle your head well. You can see how I am circling my own. Take time to do your circling so that it will be fine. All right, after circling it, you mark out your head the way you want it to be and mark on this good here and go back. All right, and after circling it, look at that good at the down part of it. You mark on the good. Now we are going to be going back. Then the next thing we are going to be doing now is to come back and on your screen recording. On your screen recording and record this head. Record this head. Okay, after recording the head, you switch it off. Then you come back now and click on this second layer, which is your head. Go and still look for that mask. Okay, you click on this mask and click on invert. Look at invert there. Mark on this good and go back. Then you minimize this CapCut. Then you locate your gallery, guys. Click on your gallery. This is the video you screen recorded now. That's your head part. Then you click on edit. All right, then you do what? You resize this your head part. Resize it. Resize it, guys. Just resize it. Resize it. Resize it. After resizing it, you are going to click on done. Then you minimize it again and go back to CapCut. Click on CapCut. Then you mark on that arrow there. Click on that arrow. Locate overlay. Click on overlay, guys. Add overlay. Then you import that your head part that you screen recorded. Remove the screen recording part. Trim this part out, which is the beginning. You go to the ending part of it. Still trim out when you are switching off the screen recording button. Trim it out, after which you come back. You are going to be clicking it now, guys. Click it and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG. Click on remove BG. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying, guys. All right, but like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. All right, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will not be missing out on any effect or anything. If you stop this video here, the truth remains that there is no way you are going to get the video perfectly. That is why you need to watch this video to the end. All right, if you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and smash on it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Welcome back to this tutorial. As you can see, that is still removing. Now it has removed completely. Mark on this good here, then you go back, use your two thumbs and resize this your head, then you position it to a point. Make it align with your neck, position it well. Make sure you position it well. After positioning it, you come back and click it again. Look for duplicate. Locate duplicate, guys. Look for duplicate. You duplicate it for the second time. Come back and click this first one and drag it under the third layer, the fourth layer. Now we have four layers on ground. You will come back and drag the fifth layer again and bring it under. All right, drag it under and take it to the beginning of the video. We now have 5 layers. You come back after doing your necessary adjustment, you click on the fourth layer and drag it out. Then you use your hand to position it and place it on your shoulder. Look at it. You now have 2 heads. Then after that, you click on the last layer. Then you drag it out now. Turn it and place it on your shoulder again. You now have 3 heads. That is how to create this video. All right, after your necessary adjustment, now we are going to be playing the video from the beginning to see what we have got. This video is ready. All you need to do is remember to add your sound effect, light effect if need be, and every other effect. And after adding them, you export your video. If you don't know how to add them, DM me. I am going to be putting you through, as my number is at the description of this video. Then I will put you through on how to add your necessary effects. After that, you click on export there. Click on export. Then you allow this video to export to your gallery. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. Guys, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If you have any magic tricks or effects you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. All right, if you're just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Smash on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. If you have found this video helpful, guys, look up, we have a similar video to it there. Just go and watch it for a better editing skills. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in our next video.